All right, here we go. All right, I'll slow it down again. Flip it and smack it, or find the slope using y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. It's up to you. Okay? So I have 13 over negative 1.
And then negative 14 over negative 7.
Girls, I can't hear. Negative 14 over negative 7. And that's flip it.
Smack it.
And that's with the y over the x, right? And then smack it. Boom, right?
Yeah.
Now draw your line. And there it is. Okay? And so that's your smack it. And the way I like to tell this story is, I taught my daughter when she was 5 to walk to school. And if she's walking to school and some stranger grabs her from behind, right? She's supposed to flip around, smack him right in the throat, and smack him right in the groin, and then run. And that's the same thing. Throat, groin, run. It's that easy. Period. Alright? So, that's what you got. Flip it and smack it. Alright, now do the math. Simplify, right? So, simplify. So, two negatives make a positive, right? Let's do this in green.
27
Over 6.
So, 27
Oh wait, the other one.
over
6.
6. Alright, now, does anything go into 27 and 6?
3.
3. Okay? We can do that upside down division if you want. 3 goes into 27 how many times?
9.
3 goes into 6 how many times?
2.
8.
So it's 9 halves.
Can it be good or
Huh? Oh, can it be a mixed fraction? Yes, but no. The reason why we don't have mixed fractions as slopes is because earlier I did this example, but you guys didn't see it yet, so you have to look on YouTube.
I can go in.
But if the slope is equal to 9 halves, right, then the parallel slope, right, if they're parallel, their slopes will be the same, right?
It could go in 4 times. Do you think this 27, 6?
Huh?
It goes there 4 times. For the dividing thing.
3 goes into 27,
Where do you even get the 3?
9.
Are you talking about 6 going to 27?
You put our 6 times 3.
You're in
It's
semester
20. It's 18. 6 times 4 is 24.
Well, it's gonna end up being 4.5, right? But we keep it as a mixed fraction, like I was saying, an improper fraction, because when we're talking about parallel lines, the slopes are the same, right?
Yeah.
Then when we talk about perpendicular lines, the slopes are what we call opposite inverses, ladies. Opposite inverses. What that means is that the perpendicular slope would be negative 2 over 9. And that's why you keep it in an improper fraction, so that you know which slope, because they might ask you for the perpendicular slope, they might ask you for the parallel slope, or they might just ask you for the slope, right? Okay, and then whatever they ask you for, then they say go through these points, right? Now we got to choose one of those points. So which points you want to choose? Left or right? I would choose left. Why would I choose left?
Because it's less negative.
Well, it's less negative and there's a 1. That's a pretty easy number to use,
Yeah.
right? So I would choose this one, okay? Oh, by the way, what's this called when we break it down? Yeah, simplify. Don't forget that. All right, now we got to plug it in, right? The y equals mx plus b, right? So y equals mx plus b. What's y?
Negative 13.
13. What's m?
9.
Pineapple.
9 over 2. Okay? And then what's x?
-1.
Yeah. Plus b. Now, here's how I want to show you how to do this. This is weird, but now we're going to show you how to turn it into what we call a mixed fraction, right? So first of all, I'm going to multiply this through, so I get 13 equals -9/2 plus b. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay? So, we did two things. Substitution, and then what? Simplify, right? And now we're going to solve it, right? So what am I going to do? I'm going to add 9/2, right? And that's going to cancel that out, right? But instead of adding 9/2 to this side, I'm going to add 4.5. Right? Because 2 goes into 9 4 times with 1 left over. And now it becomes a lot easier, right? So there's a time when we do want to change it into a mixed fraction, and there's times when you want to keep it as an improper. Does that make sense? Okay? So now I get what? What's 4 plus 13?
17.
17. So 17 and 1/2 is equal to b. So if I have b and I have m, right? Then y equals x. What's m? 9/2. What's b?
Y.
Boom. And that's your equation. Okay, so again, we're substituting in that last bit. So you could put substitution right there. Okay? So here, oh yeah, addition, property of equality. There you go. How's that? Better? Questions? While the tape is still running. Questions?
Where do babies come from?
Pretty soon from you. It won't take,
Guy.
you know, won't be long.
It's 2019.
All right? Okay.